Hello everyone, once again welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show how to restore or reset your iPhone what you've forgotten your passcode or some Apple ID, right? So before doing that we have to install the iTunes in your system. So if you're using the macOS you can use the iTunes in the Apple Store, or if you're using the Windows go with the Google and search the iTunes for the Windows download. So here go with the official website of the support.apple.com. So here download this iTunes setup. Once you download this setup, install it. I already installed this one. So here I already installed it. Before opening this one, go with the Apple software update. Right click and run as administrator. Before running the iTunes, you have to check the whether it is have the latest new software updates or what. So the first update this one. I done everything up to dated, so I am going to canceling this one. After the installation was done, click on the iTunes as a run as administrator. So here this is the dashboard look like when you open the iTunes application. So I will going to show in the screen of the left side. Uh, Now I'm trying to adding my current passcode. Now I can able to log in my iPhone. So now I'm going to trying to locking up my iPhone by entering the wrong passcodes for multiple times. Yeah, now is iPhone, my iPhone is locked. So now click on the volume down button and the power button at the same time. So we're going to show the notification slide to power off, just slide to shut down your iPhone and make connected you the USB cable to the system and plug the cable and press the power volume down button and the power button at the same time. Just plug the first and now press the power buttons and the volume down button at the same time until you will get the laptop logo image. Don't release it until it. So now the laptop image was appeared. You can release the buttons. So when you got the image like this while connecting the cable to the your system, so you will get the message like this. There is a problem with the iPhone that requires a update or restored. So I like to go selecting the restore button. So it's going to download the ISO file related to the iPhone OS. So here they saying to its factory resetting. So click on the restore and update. So in the up corner you will going to see here I already downloaded, otherwise you will going to show the one of the icon about regarding downloading the file. So up here you can see the extracting software. So if the software is already downloaded, is going to extracting that software. So minimally your hard disk space required at least 30 GB. Make sure you have the spaces, right? Once preparing a iPhone for restoration is going to do some actions in the iPhone, we have to wait some time. Here you can see the logo was appearing in the screen. And the status bar also is preparing iPhone for restoration, waiting for iPhone. So it's going to plug and unplug some more times. Here you can see some progress was going on. Approximately it's going to take 10 minutes. We have to wait. Here you can see the message your iPhone has been restored to the factory settings and is restarting. So you can see the logo Once you pop up the message, you're going to restart your iPhone. Now you can see the dashboard going to change the iPhone. Now is going to fetching the details regarding of your iPhone, like serial number and other details. So click on the continue. Welcome to your new iPhone and get started. So here this is your serial number of your phone and the model of the iPhone 12 mini. So here you can check it out everything. Click on the done. Yeah, we successfully restored our iPhone, and let's see whether our password is reset or what. Yeah, it's successfully resetted. Click on the continue. Set up without another device, and I'm going to selecting my Wi-Fi. Continue with the partial setup. Otherwise you can also go with the erase and full setup. Click on the continue. Adult setup later. Yeah, now is going to asking the new password, so you can set the new password. I'm going to setting the password. Use anyway. Welcome. Yeah, our system is our iPhone is unlocked, and we can also access the settings, and everything is done. Now you can reset or erase once again freshly. Right, our ISO version is also updated to the latest one. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, like and subscribe the channel. Once again, thanks for watching the video.